Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, we're going to be organizing my pantry. I did film this quite a few weeks ago and I'm just getting around to editing it. So I'm sorry for the delay, but I just want to give you a quick overview. We just dumped everything in here when we moved in. We didn't place anything, neatly. So, I mean, it's not terrible, but it definitely can use improvements. So that's what we're doing today. And it's going to be a realistic organization. This is not going to be Pinterest worthy, probably. It's going to be very simple. But either way, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're new, I just moved into this apartment. It's a duplex apartment. We are so happy here. And we're just tackling different areas and organizing and cleaning and doing all the things. And yeah, so if you're interested in seeing things like that, don't forget to subscribe. And I'd love to have you here. Okay, I've emptied it out. I'm going to leave this here. My air fryer, slow cooker. This basket has my candles and wax warmers. This is an apron. I should hang this up. And then the bottom basket has all my glass vases. I'm gonna leave that there. And then these are like my lunch bags and insulated bags, like if I want to take hot or cold food. So I'm gonna leave that there. Yeah, so everything else is out. And now comes the fun part. This is everything I took out of the pantry. I have a lot of empty, what do you call these? Tupperware. I've got to fill some of them up. These are really good. These I actually bought years ago from QVC. They're the Temptation line. I really like those because you can freeze them as well. Put them in the freezer, I mean. Pretty good. They seal pretty good, keep things pretty fresh. So yeah, I don't have much canned goods. I have yet to do like a full grocery shopping because it just, we were on vacation and all that. I did buy some things the other day, which I haven't taken them out yet because I knew I was going to do this pantry organization. But yeah, so this is good because once everything is organized, I can see exactly what I need and I don't have to overbuy things. So yeah. Okay, let's get started. So I started with taking out the cereal that I bought and putting it into these airtight containers. I don't like keeping things in cardboard boxes. I try to avoid it as much as I can. Not only does it look prettier, but I just think things obviously will go stale quicker if they're not in an airtight container or bag. So that's what I started off with, and that's what I'm gonna, be showing you how I store all the things and how I organize it. So let me know how you guys do it. Let me know how you feel about cardboard boxes. But here I'm just gonna organize the little bit of canned goods that I have. Like I said, I don't have much. And but this is perfect. This was so helpful because I was able to see exactly what I had and what I needed. And these little shelves, you can get them at the Dollar Tree or you can get them at Home Goods or Marshall's, these little like tiered shelves. And I love them because you can see the cans that are in the back. You guys know. So you can see what I'm doing here. But yeah, I wanted to show you this little hack just in case you guys didn't know. I learned this from another YouTuber. She's a DIY YouTuber. She's called Do It on a Dime. So these are Dollar Tree products and they're 2 pie pans and the little marbles. They're from Dollar Tree too. You put the marbles in between both pans and it easily becomes a lazy Susan. How neat is that? Let me know if you knew that trick already. I've had that for a while. But yeah, I mean, it might not be the prettiest thing to look at, but it's super inexpensive to do and very practical. So on these containers, what I used to do is, use a dry erase marker, and I would write on them. I would write what was inside and expiration dates, and you can just wipe them off, which I love. So as you can see here, the sugar, I keep it in the bag, but I put it inside the container. Also, it helps with the mess because these bags, somehow the sugar always seems to come out from the bottom. So that's why I like to put them in these containers. And that's what I'm going to do with my brown sugar, rice. I love them. If you guys haven't seen them on QVC, I totally recommend Lock and Lock. Okay, these labels, I bought them like over a year ago at Hobby Lobby, believe it or not. And I was really manifesting having a pantry, and I knew that I would use them one day. And here we are using them. So actually, I was having second thoughts, to be honest, because I said it doesn't really make sense to label a clear container because you obviously can see what's inside. And almost all my containers are clear or glass. But you know what? I said I have them. I'm gonna label them, and they look nice. They do. And it's not like a label that's like super loud in your face either. So you'll see how it looks. I think it came out nice. You guys let me know. But I was having second thoughts. And then I'm just organizing, taking out these little packets from the big bag and just organizing them nicely in this little container that I have. Now I had so many baskets, so many containers, so many organizational things. I didn't buy any of that for this video. Everything that I'm using, I've had on hand for quite some time, except for the labels. And even the labels, I bought them like I told you a while ago. But yeah, and here, like I said, I don't like keeping the cardboard out. So I just take the contents out of the cardboard boxes and organize them. Now, I like to know when things expire, and I was trying to see if each individual little packet had an expiration date, but they did not. The box has it. So what I do is I write on each individual packet what the expiration date is. That way, there's no guessing if things are good or not. So I just write them on the little packet, and that's it. Another little hack I have for you, if you are storing something in a glass jar like this, and you want to keep track of the expiration date, you can just put a little piece of paper right underneath the jar. No one can see it, and you can write the expiration date there and just, tape it to the to the bottom of the container. Like I said, I need to know when things expire. So that's another little hack. You can just put it at the bottom. That way it doesn't, interfere with your aesthetics. This is still a work in progress, okay, guys? I told you this is not going to be glamorous. I just wanted to organize things, and I have, because I wanted to see exactly what I had. Everything was all piled up together, so I kind of organized things, and now I can see what I have. And this will continue to change as I go food shopping and, you guys know. So the wine will not stay here. This will hopefully go in a buffet that I want to buy for the dining area. But for now, I'm going to keep it here because I have nowhere else to put it. The wine will not stay there. These are empty. I emptied these out, so there's nothing in here, but I'm going to keep them just in case. But yeah, I left space back here for more paper towels. This is empty. I was thinking about mounting this on the wall, and that will give me a little bit more space on the shelves, but I'm not sure because then it'll be sticking out and it might be in my way. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. But here are my containers and their labels, granola, the oats. I went back and forth on how I wanted to arrange everything. Like, I wanted to keep all like the breakfast stuff together, the baking stuff together, and then, the regular canned food, and then the snacks together. So I kind of did that. However, the rice is up here because it kind of goes with the containers. But, like I said, it'll probably change a few times, but I'm happy with the way it is now. And then my little rolling cart, this rolls, it's really easy to move around. And in here I have Ziploc bags and foil and wax paper and some extra seasonal towels. These are my vitamins that I grab for every day. So easy access. That's why I left them here. And then this didn't change much. I told you I was going to keep the cart and everything that was there. I need to find a place, or I need to find perhaps a bigger basket that I can put underneath here, because these are all my cutting boards and my wicker baskets. I still have a lot of space down here that I can play with. So that'll be for another day. This cart also rolls, so I can move it out easily. And then I put my dry erase board up here. I haven't changed a month or anything. It has old information, but I put that here. I do like to have an erase board with a calendar. So let me know your thoughts. For me, this is pretty organized. Yeah, and I think it works. Easy access, grab and go, all the snacks. We do have a sweet tooth here. See, I can see all my pasta. So like, I'm good on pasta for now. I don't need to buy anymore. I'm good on breadcrumbs. I'm good on tuna. I don't need to buy for a while. So, wow, this is such a blessing to be able to have this pantry. I am so, so grateful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments, any suggestions. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye guys.